Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the pedals on this BMX bike. So we've got these new pedals for $9.99 from Cycle King. So we're just going to replace it. So I've got the bike upside down. So this side is the right hand side. So the right hand side I'm just going to um, uh, loosen the old pedal. So the right hand side thread is just a normal thread. Okay. Okay, these are the pedals we've got. It tells you right and left here. So this is right hand side and this one is the left hand side. Okay, as I got the bike upside down, so I've got the right hand side on my facing towards me. Okay, okay, nice. One side done. Just gonna do the other one now. As you can see, the old ones, they're a bit battered. The bearings are gone on as well. So that's the main reason for changing it. Okay, the left hand side pedal's got the reverse thread. Okay. There you go, guys. As you can see, this one is even more battered. Okay, this is the new one. It says left on it, so left hand side. The thread is a reverse thread on this one. There you go, guys. Okay, that's that done. Nice and easy. Job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.